Spellrand Remington Mark II. Beautiful shape. So it looks like UFO, right? Yeah. The cover. There is a serial number here. 826752. I think it was manufactured in 1969 or 1970. So this one is a ribbon direction change like this. And then this cover is a little bit different, like this. Okay. Then actually this machine it's inside exactly same with the Topfit 18B. That's the one of the fastest typewriter. They got the international 1955 something like that for the fastest typewriter. So that's why it's very famous. Just different is outside the cover. After Remington took the company. Okay. And this one is for the tab setup. Right now here I can set up like this, then move like that, and then if we hit the press the tab, then it's got there. Okay, and then this one, the carriage release, this one, then paper release, this. Then you can put this one like this, the margin setup. Then I think this button is for the clear tap, like this. Okay, let's see. See, yeah, this one is for the clear taps. And then this one for the variable space, variable line space. And then this one is the different line space change lever. Okay, and carriage release. Then also there is a button for the variable line space. This one. I read some comments from the website. This is one of the fastest typewriter, very snap, like written very fast, and then the hit very quickly. So that's why it's famous for that. The touch feeling, it's good, but sometimes I feel like if I try to type fast, then like a little bit slippery, something like that. I can move to the next key, something like that. So that's, except that, it's a really good typewriter, I guess. Okay, design is very fancy, and then this ruler is looks like the modern style. Okay, then we can small this one is for like this. Okay. This is a Cursive typewriter, so a little bit expensive, especially everybody, because everybody know the inside is a Topid 18B with the same parts, so that's why a little bit expensive, but really good typewriter, I guess. Okay, let's see some sample typing. Okay. Thank you for watching.